Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News, your go-to source for all things smartwatches and gadgets. Today, we're talking about Oppo's latest game changer, the Watch X2. This sleek smartwatch has left us scratching our heads. Is it the perfect hybrid device? That's what we want to explore. Imagine if a thoughtful watchmaker had the chance to merge the best features of every smartwatch out there, creating a flawless, next-generation timepiece. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, Oppo seems to have done just that with their Watch X2. With its ergonomic design and impressive capabilities, it's clear they've put in the work to create something truly special. One of the standout features of the Watch X2 is its intuitive interface. Whether you're checking the time or tracking your fitness goals, navigation is seamless. The smartwatch also boasts a range of health monitoring tools, everything from blood oxygen levels to stress tracking. That's what we call holistic wellness on a wearable device. But it's not just about functionality. The Watch X2 is also designed for style and comfort. Whether you're lounging around or hitting the gym, this watch feels right at home. And with a battery life that lasts all day, you can bet your fitness goals will stay on track. No worries about running out of juice. The Oppo Watch X2 might just be the perfect smartwatch, but what if we told you it's got its eyes set on taking down Apple? With its impressive specs and unbeatable design, this watch is poised to challenge the market leader. Could it even surpass the competition? That's the question we want to explore next. Can Oppo take the crown from Apple? Stay tuned for more Watchwire news, where we dive into the latest smartwatch trends and technologies. Don't miss out on our coverage. Subscribe now to stay in the loop.